Hunter's log. Dispatch number 1. Jamie has forged off into the wilderness, searching for this elusive ungulate, while I, our intrepid narrator, remains with the truck stuck in this mud hole, quite deep, stuck. Air temperature 1 degree Fahrenheit. Epic level 12 on a scale of 1 to 10. Morning Chronicles, episode 2. I've spotted some miniature elk crossing the path. These elk seem to know that I'm safely frozen in the mud, and that our armed companion is up the road, and they seem to know that they're in private property. I know all this by looking at their body language and assessing them from afar. I am at one with nature in this heated car. Dispatch number 3. Those of us who seek the wild elk know that life is not tried, it is merely survived if you're staying inside the truck. So I have forged out to peruse the landscape. Yes, I'm still on the road. And yes, the truck is still stuck in the mud. But help is on the way. We're a part of a community, something bigger than just a solitary soul in someone else's pickup truck. Here attached at the ready is 20 feet of the world's most technological skinny Kevlar cord. I'm sure that my blue-collar rescuer will sneer at such Teton Valley techie, nerdy business, but this string is all we have, so we will see. Dispatch number 4. The sun has risen. The locals are awake. Help has been offered, but the most technological tow rope in the world is no match for the degree of stuck we have attained. Our local rescuer has gone to retrieve more supplies. Dispatch 5. With sunrise comes new hope, but no new ideas for extricating the truck. Our leader just called to report he has nearly attained the summit, but has not yet seen our quarry. What we seek, he has not found. There's a report of another vehicle stuck ahead of us. Highway conditions are dire, but morale remains optimistic. We are still stuck. The sun is warming our hearts, while the state of this truck is stressing those same hearts. One full-size pickup truck with good traction and a full-size tow rope could not budge this vehicle. Our local assistance has gone to acquire a bigger vehicle to yank on us. Situation is somewhat dire, but we must forge on. It is moments like this in which true fortitude is forged. I think there's plenty of fuel to run the heater as long as I may need. But Jamie is out there in the snowy wilderness, seeking high-quality protein sustenance for his little and growing family. We work together, seeking the wild elk. Dispatch number, I have no idea. I've lost all count. I am the truck and the truck is me. We are stuck. But now, I have tried a new solution. I've jacked up the truck. And I'm working with this axe here to chop away the interfering ice. All that stands between us and victory is some muddy ice and my willingness to crawl beneath the truck and chop it out. I will proceed. That little buggy is definitely the preferred mode of travel. But here, got a bit of a plan. Still jacked up. I've wrestled one too small tire chain out of there. I've chopped out underneath the differential. I'm gonna lower down this jack. Oh, also we got the rope stuck. I borrowed a friend of a friend's tow rope is now stuck to Jamie's truck. So that's a whole thing. Yeah, we're a good scene here. It's moving. Look at that. Elk hunt log, latest dispatch, wherein the hunter becomes the hunted, and the assistant becomes the hunter. Now we seek Jamie. He is post-holing around. Wow, I'm doing the equivalent of truck post-holing. Rumor has it, the road does not improve. But as every great adventurer will admit to, I'll try anything twice. See if I can get this truck stuck again. Dispatch number a gazillion. We might live here now. I don't know which has happened more. Made more videos or gotten the truck stuck more. This time, I think I'll respond with wisdom instead of hubris. It takes an elk hunt to bring an otherwise confident grown man to his knees. Mainly on his knees, crawling around, digging out trucks, and putting on chains. You're never alone in this world. We're not the only ones that have gotten stuck many, many times.